Hey, Motorman here with my tip of the week. By the way, if you hear some wind noise, there's nothing we can do about that. It's a little windy today with the wind chill factor here in Florida. It's probably about 75. But anyway, I'm going to show you how to screw up a U-turn. People do this all the time. I see it all the time in my class. So I'm going to demonstrate the wrong way to do this. The first thing riders do is they go too slow, 5 miles an hour or less. Good chance you're going to drop the motorcycle. Then instead of dipping to the right before making the left-hand turn, they just go straight 5 miles an hour. Then they don't turn their head nice and look over the shoulder. Remember, when you're about to make that turn, get that head around fast and far. The faster, the further you turn your head, the more your hands are going to come around. A little pressure on the rear brake, always in the friction zone. Here is the wrong way to do this. You're probably going to recognize, probably a friend of yours, not you, not if you're watching this video, but one of your friends, you're gonna recognize them in this. But here's how it works. The wrong way. First of all, speed's too low, about 5 miles an hour. Good chance the bike could tip over. Instead of dipping to the right before making the U-turn, they turn their head and they look at the opposite side they don't want to hit. And then they nurse the bike through here. It's ridiculous. They're not going to make it. Now you got to back up the motorcycle. Don't do that. I'm going to demonstrate the correct way to do this using the 3 techniques. Head and eyes, friction zone, a little pressure on the rear brake, nothing to it. Speed should be about 8 to 10 miles an hour for 24-foot turn. So I tip the bike, I snap my head and eyes, and around comes the motorcycle, as you can see, less than 18 feet. On my video, remember, I show you a step-by-step approach to these exercises. You're going to do 3 exercises before you get to the U-turn, and I tell you, folks, it's best to follow along the way I show you. Each exercise builds towards the next. And while we're talking about that, I'm going to show you this. We've got the Ride Like a Pro book and the Ride Like a Pro video on sale. Buy the 2 of them, get the 2 of them, and then they're 40 bucks. You're saving $15. This is not on the website. You got to call 1-866-868-7433 up to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Don't be calling me from Hawaii at 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm not going to answer the phone. But if you call up to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, tell us you want this deal, we'll send it right out to you the next day. That includes shipping right to your door, 40 bucks, the best money you'll ever spend on your motorcycle. Till next week.